This video explains how to buy shares of Leidos Holdings Inc., a U.S. company that provides defense, aerospace, and IT systems. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LDOS, and this content is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before trading. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker LDOS to find the stock. Select the listing for Leidos Holdings Inc. to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the company profile and the price chart to confirm it's Leidos Holdings Inc. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker LDOS to ensure it's the correct listing. To make a purchase, click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same step-by-step process.